China, you can stop now. This is me, ambassador and spokesman for the rest of the world. You can stop. You can stop. You've done it, all right? You win. I'm calling it. I'm declaring it. It's official. Stamped by me, the king of the world. Yeah? Who's me? That's me, the king of the world. And I'm letting you know, China's #1. It's not even a joke. It's not even propaganda. It's not a pro or a con or a truth or anything. It's just, well, it is a truth. It's a fact. Look at that. Look at that. China wins. China wins. I know this is not the most beautiful example of a modern thing in the world, but China's got 158,000 billion, million, trillion modern things in the world, and the world is basically China's right now, because they're killing the game, son. Over here, though, is more of the cool stuff about China, because as you get shiny, shiny, high-tech, futuristic over there, as the metro zooms past, well, not zooms, it crawls. It's pretty slow, but, you know, give it a break. It's just left the station. It'll be accelerating soon. So, yeah, this is Shenzhen North Library. But over here, you got the old China, which is absolutely banging. The street food, these sausages are not that great, obviously, if you know English or German or Scottish sausages or whatever. But apart from these people constantly banging, the street food is banging. So, yeah, congratulations to Shenzhen and China for basically winning the world competition on how to design a city. So China, as well as the world's best metro systems, world's best train systems, probably has the world's best libraries too. I'm not actually going to bother going inside because it's a little bit boring internally, to be honest. Although the basement level is cool because they have a gigantic robot book picking machine, and I do mean gigantic, so I know I should probably add that section to this video to give you a holistic experience, but I prefer the outside to the inside of buildings. And why would you not when it's like this? So this is a library in Shenzhen, despite the fact it's called Shenzhen Library, as if it's the only one. I think technically it's called Shenzhen Library North, but even then, what does that mean? Because, as I've said before, you can't split Chinese cities into north, south, east, and west. It just doesn't work. Every city is compiled of humongous districts, and compass points are just irrelevant with the gargantuan scale of this place. So anyway, this is Shenzhen Library North, here in the Longhua district of North Shenzhen. It's just a little bit north of the center, but Longhua is a huge district. And let me go up a little bit to get some more detail. Don't know who architected this one, but big up you, whoever it was. I'm assuming it was a foreigner, because Chinese people can't make buildings. They just build them. They don't actually design them, do they? It's normally some German or Dutch or Japanese or English or American dude. So maybe it was a Chinese guy and I'll have to eat my words. But anyway, as I take this escalator, China's very, very good, Shenzhen in particular, for escalator technology. You very rarely have to walk around. I mean, you walk a lot, but there's a hell of a lot of escalators, is my point. Shenzhen, a lazy man's paradise. So yeah, over there is a big art museum. Over there's a big library. Obviously the same style on both, but I challenge thee, whoever thee be, I challenge thee to not be impressed by this. Is it not impressive? The answer is yes, it is. I mean, not, it is not, it is. It is impressive. That's not a double negative, because it's not impressive, because it is impressive. Now, I know a lot of people prefer old classic style. I lived in Italy, so trust me, I'm a fan of classics too. But if you like your futurism, Shenzhen's pretty much top of the tree. Speaking of which, here's some trees as they make a nice little outdoor cafe reading area. So there are actually real physical books in there. It's not all digital and high-tech, but it is pretty fancy. You see those little things that look like cash points. They are book taking and returning points. Why don't I go a little bit closer? Oh, there you go. You can see a delivery drone above, usual for this area. Oh God, the zoom did not work very well there. Well, anyway, that is the delivery drone. I've no idea why it's so unclear. Oh my God, that's horrible. Why can my phone not see that well? Bro, what is wrong with my camera? What is wrong with my camera? What is wrong with my camera? Can you see that? Now you can see it. Alright, so I don't know if that's delivering books or what, but anyway, delivery drones are absolutely commonplace in this part of Shenzhen. They're not everywhere. Oh yeah, here's a good example. So you've probably seen videos on YouTube. Shenzhen has delivery drones, yeah. It's still a bit of a gimmick at this point rather than an absolute everyday necessity. If you want your food or drink or packages delivered, you just get a guy. Well, you don't get a guy, you click the buttons on your app and it automatically sends a dude on a little e-bike to drop it off at your home. So yeah, the delivery drones are still a little bit gimmicky, but in this area, Longhua in Shenzhen, they have a lot of these depots. And so yeah, this is how you take a book out in Shenzhen. Choose your book, scan your library card, see if we've got English there for you. Look at that. Look at that, lads. Fun for every creed. So yeah, not much else to report, but if you like modern architecture, Shenzhen is the precipice of the pinnacle of the peak because it's practically perpetually perfect. Oh, you can't feel it through the screen, but goddamn, I just got an orgasmic blast of AC freshness. Ooh, that was absolutely necessary. So yeah, what is Shenzhen like? It's like this. What is the rest of China like? Also like this. Chinese people are funny though, as you can see, that man almost stepped over that baby with no fuchs given. But what are you going to do? It's 1.4 billion. One squashed baby is not going to make much of a dent, is it? So yeah, sorry lads, if you want to see the interior, I just can't be bothered. Just can't be bothered because I think it's not that interesting indoors, to be honest. It's just fairly plain. But do you not like Shenzhen North Library? Yes, you will now all repeat chorally. I do like Shenzhen North Library because it's the future and all that. Shenzhen, baby.